own secret club. I guess that could work. We have to try. What would Brian Boitano do if he was here right now? He'd make a plan and he'd follow through. That's what Brian Boitano do. When Brian Boitano was in the Olympics skating for the gold, he did 2 style cows and a triple lutz while wearing a blindfold. When Brian Boitano was in the Alps fighting grizzly bears, he used his magical fire breath and saved the maidens there. So what would Brian Boitano do if he were here today? I'm sure he'd kick an ass or two. That's what Brian Boitano do. I want this feature out of me. It has stunted my vocabulary, and I just want my mom to stop fighting everyone. Or Wendy, I'll be an activist too, 'cause that's what Brian Boitano would do. And what would Brian Boitano do? He'd call the kids in town and tell them to unite for truth. That's what Brian Boitano would do.
Someone say my name?
Who are you?
I'm Brian Dennehy.
What? No, not fucking Brian Dennehy. Get the fuck out of here.
Oh, bye.
When Brian Boitano traveled through time to the year 3010, he fought the evil